Symetric and CTS have partnered to help manufacturers jumpstart their Industry 4.0 strategy, starting with one of the most challenging tests on the line, leak test. Introducing the QualityWorX CTS DataHub. This turnkey platform consists of a host PC and Symetric Studio Analytics software. It allows you to start creating and analyzing real-time process signatures from multiple CTS Sentinel leak test instruments within minutes of startup. The advanced analytics capabilities of Symetric Studio ensure that your data is working for you every day, so you can solve issues quickly and make continuous improvements to your CTS leak test. This tool lets you look into your leak test process and visualize what's happening inside the part as you're testing it. The data is visual, as waveforms or traces, which can be overlaid to help you correlate data from different times or different parts that went through production. No other solution lets you use data the way the QualityWorX CTS DataHub does. Let's see why. First of all, full traceability. Symetric Studio lets you analyze all test and part data, including signatures and scalar data, so it's easy to prove compliance. Data can also be used to drive your decisions around test limits, so you can strike the right balance between cycle time and gauge R. Leak test is complicated and often plagued by problems that cause operators to lose confidence in the results. Data analysis gives you visual proof that your test is working repeatedly, and when it isn't, you can pinpoint the problem. Best of all, because data is accessible to you in production real time, you can respond quickly. No other solution lets you look at data like the QualityWorX CTS DataHub. Data is easy to view, organized in a tree structure that corresponds to your production line. You can look at key statistics, such as the number of parts in a given cavity and the number of passes, fails, and indeterminate results. Drill down into the history of a single part with a simple click, so you can view specific features of the test and test results. You can trend and overlay data, like we've done with this measurement pressure waveform trend. You can see that as we get through the test, the data starts to separate. Outliers are even more evident when you zoom in on the data. When you overlay signatures, outliers jump out, like this momentary increase in pressure while we were monitoring pressure loss. In leak testing, an outlier like this can represent important issues, such as a seal moving on a pneumatic ram that's clamping the part, or something mechanical in the part, like a spring or check valve, releasing air from a trapped cavity back into the test cavity. Others can represent slight shocks that cause movement of the part. You can expand your QualityWorX CTS DataHub to an enterprise solution that allows you to manage all your CTS Sentinel leak test instruments. But when data has the potential to deliver so much value, why stop at the leak test? Take it a step further, from leak test to any test. Symetric's QualityWorX enterprise software can do the same for weld, torque, press fit, any test on the line, as it does for leak. Eliminate these data silos. Consolidate all your data for a full picture of your part assembly operations, so you can correlate downstream issues to upstream processes. Start your Industry 4.0 strategy today with CTS and Symetric. You'll be amazed where data can take you.